Ready? Start. These appeals by state of Maharashtra question the correctness of judgment and orders dated 5/10/2009 and 7/11/2009, whereby notifications dated 1/4/2000 and 4/4/2001 issued under section 5A of the Bombay Electricity Duty Act, 1958, were struck down. Stop. The core issue which arises for consideration in these appeals is whether the state, having once granted exemption from payment of electricity duty to capacity power generators, was legally precluded from withdrawing or modifying such exemption in the exercise of same statutory power. Stop. In order to appreciate the grievance of the appellant, relevant facts need mention. Stop. Para. The act is an act to provide for levy and collection of duty on consumption of electricity energy in the state of Bombay. Stop. The act extends to the whole of the state of Maharashtra. Stop. Section 5A empowers the state government, if it considers it necessary in the public interest, so to exempt, by notification in the official gazette, prospectively or retrospectively, the consumption of energy in the whole or any part of the state in respect of any class of premises or purposes in respect of energy consumed up to a specified limit from payment of the whole or any part of the electricity duty payable under the act. Stop. In supersession of aforesaid notification, the state government issued another notification on 30/10/1996, granting exemption on consumption of energy granted in a generating station by person carrying on an industry and consumed by himself for such industry, in the whole of the state of Maharashtra from payment of electricity duty payable under clause B of the part G of the schedule appended to the act. Stop. The state government thereafter on 1/4/2000 issued a notification under section 5A of the act, to enable the state to bill electricity duty in whole state of Maharashtra in respect of premises used for consumption of energy for any purpose under part A, B, C and G of the schedule to the act. Stop. The state government by another notification of even date issued under section 5A of the act, exempted the payment of electricity duty under clause B of part G of the schedule to the act, on consumption of energy generated through non-conventional sources by a person carrying on industry in the cooperative sector and consumed by himself for such industry. Stop. The state government thereafter issued another notification dated 4/4/2001 under section 5A of the act, exempting the consumption of energy generated by a person carrying on an industry and consumed by himself for such industry, in whole of Maharashtra, from payment of such part of electricity duty payable under clause B of part G of the schedule of the act, as in excess of 15 paise per unit of energy so consumed, subject to the condition that generating set is installed in pursuance of Government of Maharashtra policy prior to revised policy regarding captive generation declared YD government resolution dated 25/4/2000. Stop. The validity of the notifications dated 1/4/2000 and 4/4/2001, issued under section 5A of the Act, was challenged in a batch of the writ petitions before the High Court.